Hello. In this video, we'll start building a simple Gantt chart using Quick Gantt Chart. Let's start by adding a few tasks. A task is a piece of work with a defined start date, end date, and duration. We'll name the tasks Market Research, Product Design, and Prototype Testing. You can drag tasks to reposition them and adjust their duration directly in both the chart area and the tree area. You can also modify a task using the Task Settings window, which can be opened by clicking the toolbar button, using the context menu, or by double-clicking the task. Inside Task Settings, you can adjust various parameters, some of which will be covered later. To position tasks more precisely, you can use Zoom, which adjusts the timescale ruler. The timescale can display hours, days, weeks, and more. To zoom in or out, hold Ctrl and scroll the mouse wheel. You can also use the zoom buttons located in the toolbar. The context menu allows you to insert new tasks at specific positions in your task list. You can select multiple tasks by clicking on rows while holding Ctrl or Shift. Selected tasks can be moved or deleted as a group. In project management, a dependency refers to the relationship between tasks that determines the order in which they must be performed. In Quick Gantt Chart, you can define dependencies by attaching or detaching connectors between tasks. Once a dependency is created, the application automatically recalculates the schedule and updates all related tasks accordingly. Dependencies are essential for accurately planning your project timeline. They help determine which tasks must be completed before others can begin, and which ones can run in parallel. Understanding and managing dependencies is key to avoiding delays and maintaining a smooth workflow. Quick Gantt Chart also allows you to specify a time lag between dependent tasks. A time lag is a delay between the completion of a predecessor task and the start of its successor. This is useful, for example, when you need a gap between phases, such as waiting for materials to arrive or time for review and approval. If the time lag is incorrect or doesn't align with the project logic, the dependency line will appear as a dashed line, signaling a potential issue. A milestone marks a significant point or event in the project timeline, and unlike regular tasks, it has no duration. In Quick Gantt Chart, the item type is determined automatically. When you create a task with zero duration, it is treated as a milestone. Milestones are used to indicate the completion of major phases, the achievement of key deliverables, or other critical checkpoints in the project. They are especially useful for tracking progress and often represent moments of review, approval, or decision-making. By placing milestones strategically throughout your timeline, you gain better visibility into the overall flow of the project and ensure that major objectives are clearly marked and monitored. A summary task is a higher-level task that groups together several related tasks, forming a hierarchical structure within the project. Summary tasks help organize your project into logical sections or phases, making it easier to manage and review progress at a broader level, without getting lost in individual task details. In Quick Gantt Chart, summary tasks are identified automatically. Whenever a task has one or more subtasks, it becomes a summary task. You can easily collapse or expand summary tasks in the tree view to hide or show the details underneath. This is especially useful in larger projects where you want to stay focused on the big picture while still having quick access to detailed work when needed. Using summary tasks also improves visual clarity on the Gantt chart, helping you better track the structure and flow of your project. Both tasks and summary tasks can display their progress in the Gantt chart area. The progress value represents the percentage of work that has been completed for a given task. You can update task progress manually, and it will be shown as a filled portion of the taskbar. For summary tasks, the progress is calculated automatically based on the progress of all subtasks. This gives you a quick visual overview of how each phase of your project is progressing. Tracking progress helps you monitor performance, identify delays early, and stay on top of project milestones and deadlines. In this tutorial, we created a simple Gantt chart and explored how to work with tasks, dependencies, milestones, summary tasks, and progress tracking. These are the essential building blocks of any project plan. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into features like dependency types, resource management, baselines, and more. Thanks for watching,